Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to my advanced tutorial series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload an apartment onto the gallery. Basically, you have to turn it into a room, and if you're not familiar with the series, it is exactly how it sounds. This is my advanced tutorials. I teach you a bunch of different things in the Sims games, how to do it. You can leave suggestions in the comments below, but it is an ongoing series with lots and lots of different things coming. So the first thing you want to do is click on, when you click on a room, it highlights it. So this is the basic room mechanism of how the game works. So when you go to save to your library, you can't save the entire apartment because it's just going to save it as individual rooms. So the only way you can save it as an entire apartment is by turning it into a room. And all you have to do is knock out a wall here and there, but actually you might want to keep bb.moveObjects on, because the wall I like to knock out is the one behind the door, but you can knock out any wall. So if you delete the wall, the door will stay there. Now this is one giant room. And now if we delete this door, now this is one giant room. So the bigger the apartment, the more doors you have to knock down. But now when you click on it, it highlights the entire apartment. Now if you have a balcony, you'll have to do something very similar. Of course, you can upload it room by room or floor by floor. Actually, you're going to have to upload it floor by floor. If it's a 2-story, you'll have to do the first floor and the second floor. But for just your basic apartments, this is all you have to do. Now, when you go to save it to your library, you can save the room, and there you go. That's the entire apartment. And that's all you have to do. It's that simple. So these tutorials are super short and quick, just getting right to the point. Hope that made sense. To share it to the gallery, you should know by now, but you just share room to gallery by clicking this little arrow down here. So guys, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.